Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix no signal or emergency calls only on DOOGEE smartphone. Okay, so let's go straight into our settings. Now from here, let's open up the network and the internet. And let's click on our SIM cards first. We can simply turn them off and now turn it on again. Now let's also make sure that, for example, the airplane mode isn't enabled simply by a misclick. If it is, turn it off. And as a last thing, you can go straight into the internet, and if your 5G connection isn't stable, or you have or is it simply low, you can try switching into a normal 4G connection. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.